everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to create a game pass in Roblox. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I have opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in roblox.com, press enter. After you do that, you can see over here, you'll be led to the official website of Roblox. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now at top, you'll be able to find various options like charts, marketplace, create, Robux, etc. Simply click on this option, create, that you can see at third. Now once you do that, you can see over here, you'll be led to the creator hub. At left, you'll be able to find various options over here. Simply click on this option, creations. Now you'll be led to the creations interface. Make sure experiences option is selected. Over here you'll be able to see your place. By default the place will be available for all the users, so simply click on the place. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. At left you'll be able to find various options for configure, analytics, etc. Over here you'll be able to find the option for monetization. Make sure to click on it. Now you'll be able to find various monetization options over here. At third you'll be able to find the option for passes. Simply click on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the passes interface. From here you'll be able to create the pass for yourself. Make sure creations option is selected. Now over here you'll be able to find the option for create a pass. Simply click on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to create a pass over here. You can upload the image if you want. If you want to upload the image, simply click on the change option. After that, you can see over here, you'll be able to upload the image of your choice. Click on the image that you want to upload and click on the open option. Now you can see over here that image will be uploaded. Now what you have to do is enter the name. Click on the field of name. It is the initial name. Now what you have to do is enter the name over here. Now you can also enter the description if you want. Click on the field of description. Now enter the description. Now once you do that, what you have to do is simply click on this option, create pass, that you can see right over here on your screen. Now wait for a while. Now after you do that, you can see over here your game pass will be created. So that is how you create game pass in Roblox. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.